Hey guys, this is Chadley here at MetalWorks with a quick look at our freshly painted 59 Corvette. Aaron just laid down a beautiful paint job using all Sikkens products. So this is a base clear paint job. There's 3 coats of base and a total of 4 coats of clear. And the color that you see here is called Zeus Bronze. The cove inside the body and the doors will be painted kind of a champagne beigeish color, so we'll be shooting that here sometime this week, so feel free to check back to see how that turns out. You can see the entire restoration of the Corvette on our website at metalworksclassics.com. We heavily document all of our builds on the website. If you have any questions on this car or any of our other builds or our chassis, feel free to give us a call here at 541-341-3372. Alright guys, thanks again for checking out the progress on the Corvette build. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.